This is Miss Joelle. I am here to tell you about our Stevenson Book Fair this fall. We are going to be hosting a book fair the week after fall break, which means that this week on Wednesday, you are going to get to come and preview the book fair to see all of the books that we have. So, I want to give you a little bit of information about how the fair is going to work, and I want to show you some book trailers to get you excited about some of the books that we are going to have at the fair. So, let's get started. Our book fair will be held from November 29th to December 3rd. That is the week after fall break. I will be sending out reminder emails to your families so that they remember that we will be having our fair the week we get back. All right, let's watch some book trailers before I go ahead and tell you more about the fair. Here are some books that you will hopefully see.
Dave Pilkey. Dogman is part dog, part man, and all hero. The heroic hound is always ready to sniff out trouble, battle baddies, and do good with help from his super buddies. And now Lil Petey, Flippy, and Molly have an adventure of their own, helping 21 talented baby frogs tell their stories in Cat Kid Comic Club, a new graphic novel series. Look for Dogman and Cat Kid at your Scholastic Book Fair. Meet Pig the Pug. He loves dressing up, exploring the neighborhood, decorating, playing tricks, and getting treats. Don't believe me? Just ask Pig's friend Trevor. Then again, don't. Beware of Pig the Monster at your Scholastic Book Fair.
Molly Lou Millen's mom always told her to be true to herself. And so, she was. That meant enjoying the good, accepting the bad, and exploring all the silly in-betweens. With a huge heart and an even bigger voice. Molly Lou Millen knows the best way to stand out is to stand up for what's right. To find out how Molly Lou Millen uses her voice, look for Speak Up Molly Lou Millen at your Scholastic Book Fair.
In a galaxy far, far away, planet XYZ was preparing for a new ruler. But was Blue prepared to rule? Not so much. To prove his worth, he'd need to conquer the craziest planet of all, Earth. It was clear who was in charge there. Earth's leaders were demanding, spoiled, and a little sloppy. Luke knew that in order to defeat them, he must become them. But he never could have known what would happen next. To find out how his mission ends, look for Bloop at your Scholastic Book Fair.
Sophia Sanchez is a student, actress, and model who loves to read. She inspired a new picture book all about acceptance and inclusion. In the book, Sophia talks about having Down syndrome. Down syndrome might make Sophia seem different, but that's okay. We're all different. We each have our own voice, and we're all perfect, just the way we are. That's what Sophia wants to tell you in her new book.
Hi, I'm Sophia Sanchez. This is the book You Are Enough. It's about a book about inclusion. It's written by Miss Sophia Sanchez. I am so excited for this book. So my teachers read it to the whole class, and I loved it. It's not Sophia, but no, that's you. It's our friend. We love her. She's a rock star.
Never say no to being yourself. Feel your own beauty, inside and out. When you let your light shine, you will brighten the world. Wouldn't it be boring if everyone was the same? Being different is beautiful. Just be you, because you are enough.
It was the kids to read it and feel them happy. Hey, we're different. We are beautiful and we are all enough. Find my book, You Are Enough, at your Scholastic Book Fair.
Introducing the Dragon Girls. They can soar above the treetops, breathe glittery bursts of fire, and roar loud enough to shake the ground. As sworn protectors of their magic forest, the Dragon Girls must keep it safe from the shadow sprites and other dangers.
Welcome to Bailey Elementary School. The kids are getting a new teacher, but they're not worried. They've handled new teachers before. But this time is different. Something about Mrs. Jeepers seems off. The gang becomes convinced that their new teacher is actually a vampire. But can they prove it? To find out, look for The Adventures of the Bailey School Kids, Vampires Don't Wear Polka Dots at your Scholastic Book Fair.
Welcome to the world of Minecraft, survival mode. Explore, craft, build, and survive in the epic expanse of the overworld. But watch out for the zombies, skeletons, and creepers. Read about how our heroes survive in this new book based in Minecraft. Look for it and other Minecraft books at your Scholastic Book Fair.
All right. So I hope that you are so excited to get some of those books at the book fair this fall. I want to explain to you a little bit about how the fair is going to work. So on Wednesday this week, you are going to get to come and look at the fair. So what you will do is you will come down to the library. You will get a pencil and a piece of paper. The piece of paper is going to be for a wish list. So you can make a wish list of all of the books that you would like to buy at the fair. Now, you will then take that wish list home to your grown-ups and you will ask them if you are able to buy a few of those books from the book fair. They have two choices, your grown-ups. Your grown-ups can either send you with money, so if they want to send you with some cash that will cover the amount of the books at the book fair, they can send you with cash. Please remember that you also have to pay tax on those books, so you're going to need to bring a little bit extra money for that tax. Or there's a second option this year. What they can do is they can set up an e-wallet. And I'm going to show you right now exactly what that looks like. So when you come to our Stevenson Elementary School Book Fair homepage, which I will provide your teachers with the link so that they can put that hopefully on your Canvas page, you come on down. This shows the dates that the book fair will be happening. But what you want to do is you want to set up your e-wallet. So if your parents want to let you buy books at the fair without giving you cash, they can upload money into the e-wallet. So it's almost like a little credit card that they set up for you. So they put money on the e-wallet, and then when you come to the book fair, you get to spend that money. So all you have to do is follow the directions here under Get Started. I will also be sending home directions with you after your book fair preview. So on the bottom of your wish list, it will show parents how to set up an e-wallet. Okay, but basically to get started, all you have to do is make sure that you're at the Stevenson Elementary School e-wallet, create your e-wallet. You will have to create an account so your parents can do that for you. I will sign into mine just to show you what it's going to look like once you get in. So basically all they're going to do is they are going to put your name. So they will put your first name and last name. They, if they want, can put your teacher's first name. They need to put your teacher's last name so I know whose class you're in. And then they will choose your grade level. Okay. Once they click that, they are going to click Create eWallet. Now, obviously, I didn't fill it out, so it's not going to work. But all they have to do after that is let the eWallet know how much money they want to put on the eWallet. So if they want to give you $5 so that you can buy maybe a $2 or $3 book, they would put in $5. They would put in their credit card or debit card information, and then you will have that $5 when you come to the book fair. Okay, they can put as much money as they want. The only thing is they don't get the money back. So you have to spend all of the money that they put on the e-card. Otherwise, they can still get Scholastic credits back, but they can't get their money back. Okay, so you can order stuff online later with the extra money, but they can't get the money back itself. Okay, so if you have more questions about the e-wallet, you can have your grown-ups message me, and I would be happy to help them set it up if they need additional help. But like I said, there's lots of good information right here on our Scholastic Book Fair website. So last but not least, let me tell you a little bit about how the actual fair is going to work. When you come to the book fair, November 29th through December 3rd, you are going to come with your class. So you might come on Monday, you might come on Tuesday, or you might come on Wednesday with your classes. I will be there all 3 of those days. I will be open for you to come during your class time. So your teachers might decide to send you all, so you might come as an entire class, or the teacher just might decide to send students that have money to spend, and that's totally up to the teacher. When you get to the book fair, you can pick out what you want, you can make your purchases, and you can head back to class. If maybe you forget your money on the day that you're coming with your class, there will also be some other times to shop. You can shop at lunchtime by grade level. So on Monday, 5th graders get to shop at lunch. On Tuesday, 4th graders get to shop at lunch. On Wednesday, 3rd graders get to shop at lunch. On Thursday, 2nd graders get to shop at lunch. And on Friday, 1st graders get to shop at lunch. So if you would like to come during lunch, that is an option as well, as long as you come on your specified grade level day. And then finally, if you have someone to come with you, you can shop anytime after school. I will be open from 1:40 to 3:30 for you to shop with your grown-up or even an older sibling, as long as it's somebody who is older than a 5th grader. So if you have 6th grade or 7th grade or high school siblings, they can bring you as well. And all you have to do is show up with them after school, and you can come and shop at the book fair. So I hope that that is helpful. If you have any other questions, I will be answering them during our book fair previews this week. So I will see you on Wednesday, where you will get to look at our lovely book fair and ask me any other questions that you have before the fair gets started. See you Wednesday. Can't wait for you to start shopping.